Celery looks like a boring stick of green fiber, but it might be one of the most misunderstood vegetables in your fridge. In this video, we're covering the real health benefits, the nutrition facts, and the side effects of celery that nobody talks about. Rich in essential nutrients. Celery contains vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin C, folate, and potassium, along with small amounts of B vitamins and calcium. Even though it is mostly water, this vegetable delivers a solid dose of antioxidants and minerals your body uses every single day for normal function. Supports heart health. Celery contains compounds called phthalates, which may help relax the tissues in artery walls and increase blood flow. Combined with its potassium content, this can support healthy blood pressure levels and reduce strain on the cardiovascular system over time. Helps reduce inflammation. Celery is loaded with antioxidants like flavonoids and polyphenols that help fight oxidative stress in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and diabetes. So adding anti-inflammatory foods like celery to your diet can be a smart long-term move. Aids digestion. The fiber in celery supports regular bowel movements and feeds the good bacteria living in your gut. It also contains water that helps soften stool, making it easier to pass. A healthy gut often means better digestion, less bloating, and improved nutrient absorption. Supports healthy weight management. Celery is extremely low in calories, with about one stalk containing just 6 calories. Its high water and fiber content help you feel full without adding to your daily calorie intake, making it a smart snack choice if you are trying to manage your weight. Promotes hydration. Celery is roughly 95% water, which makes it a great way to stay hydrated, especially during hot weather or after exercise. Proper hydration supports everything from your skin to your kidneys to your energy levels throughout the day. May support blood sugar control. Some studies suggest that celery extract may help regulate blood sugar levels by improving how the body responds to insulin. While more research is needed, adding low glycemic vegetables like celery to your meals is generally a good habit for blood sugar stability. Possible side effects to know. Celery is generally safe, but it can trigger allergic reactions in some people, especially those allergic to birch pollen or mugwort. It also contains natural compounds that may increase skin sensitivity to sunlight, and because of its sodium content, people watching their salt intake should still eat it in moderation. So next time you see celery sitting in the grocery aisle, don't skip past it. This simple vegetable packs a real nutritional punch and comes with very few downsides. Add it to your soups, smoothies, or snack trays, and let your body enjoy the benefits. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more health breakdowns like this one.